Okay, what's going on mga bossing? Alvin again once again ng Boy Bukas Toy Box, and welcome to my channel. So once again we're going to unbox another cool toys here. So this one, I don't know, I just look when I found this in the store and it looks interesting and looks something new because they call it like soap bricks. So maybe sounds like Sopovia or something, and then there's a B from Walden Spy. No, I don't know. So this is a Kamen Rider Balkan. Of course, that's where that's where the B. And it says shooting wolf. So I found this just pretty interesting. I'm sure this is not something like an action figure with articulation, but with the box and something, it makes me, really wanna get hold on to it, and let's see what else, what coolness these toys have. And maybe we can start from here and look for other releases from this toy line. So this one, another Bandai, and they call it what? Ichibanso figure. So there you go, my bossing. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, there you go, my bossing. This is the Kamen Rider Balkan shooting wolf. So this one, I'm really excited to unbox this one because it's my first time to have this series of toys from Bandai Namco, because this is a Kamen Riders and looks cool to me. So I think this one is like a statue maybe. So I really have no idea, but I'm sure they don't have articulation here. It's not moving or something, but I still want to see and maybe get more releases of toys like this. So let's unbox. The packaging is pretty amazing. I'm not sure why. I think also my first time to have a toy with a handle in the back, so very interesting. I got too much tape here. I hope that will be the last one. Oh yes, like what I thought. This is like kind of a statue, and it's looking good so far. Let's see. Oh yes. Okay, so no more. Okay, so there you go. I'm pretty disappointed because there's no like a display stand. But so far so good. So hey, we need another karambit here. It's got lots of taping going on here. So this is not like the other kind of figure or statue that you know that made of polystone. So this one is made of PVC, so not that expensive. But look at that. So this one really looks amazing. Oh, I love the details of this one. Nice. Okay, so I don't think anything that you can take it out or remove. So this really pure solid toys, but the details really amazing. Look at those lines and the paint job. Yeah, really cool. Nice colorway here. Really cool. Kind of oily here. Yeah, I think it's because of those. Make it more shiny. So the materials. Yeah, just a PVC, but it looks like supposed to me, like a soft vinyl. Okay, can I take it out? But yeah, the paint job is really cool. So this one, the eyes is amazing. So this is really nice. My bossing, what do you guys think about this? Do you think it's something that we can continue to collect, or just say that's it? But overall, this really, I think if you're really Kamen Riders collectors or fans, this is a must-have figure that you may have in your collections. I really love this, man. I like this. If I can find another, releases from this toy line and it's on sale, I will probably grab it. Like this one, I only get it from on sale. That's why I don't mind trying it. Right? So, but yeah. But it's really cool. I think with the size. So let's see. So it will stand up to the hands. So around 11, I guess, or 12 inches. And how wide? So maybe like 10. So somewhere there. So you really need to get a good space here to put this in your collection to display it. So there you go, my bossing. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so you're always updated every time na mag-unbox tayo ng mga toys na tulad nito, mga bossing. So yeah, so if you have any comments and any suggestion, right, so just comment down below at paki-like na rin ang video na to. I really appreciate that, mga bossing. It's helped me to keep on going and sharing more toys to you guys like this. That's really amazing. That really caught my eye. So once again, my bossing, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. So peace out. So it's funny, I just found out that this is the stand for the figure. So you just need to put the foot here to make it stand stable, right? So yeah, just to let you know, just trying to put back I think it's stuck in the plastic thingy. So That's why I miss it. Anyway, so there you go. So it's kind of, so yeah, now you know, and now I know.